Tide rolls in with a whispering song. It's called my name for ages long. Beyond the foam where the white gulls cry, my heart was born beneath the sky. I hear the call of the sea, wild and endless, calling me through wind and wave. My soul will roam for the sea. The sea is my only home. The cliffs stand guard with ancient grace. Their stones remember every face of those who dreamed, who dared to sail. Their spirits ride each ocean gate. I hear the call of the sea, wild and endless, calling me through wind and wave. My soul will roam for the sea. The sea is my only home. Let the storm be my prayer tonight. Let the moon be my guiding light. If destiny drifts beyond the foam, then my heart will find its home. I hear the call of the sea. Through every dawn it carries me. Though shores may fade and stars may fall, I'll follow the sea.